The following program is produced by students of the Brian Lamb School of Communication at Purdue University.
And good morning, everyone. Hope you're having a good start to your Wednesday morning. Gino Recchi here to start you off with your weather forecast. Taking a look at our weather headlines, flurries and light snow possible today. Nothing too much to worry about. Dusting possibly up to a half inch at most, but I'm thinking most of the accumulation is going to stay to our north. Then we do have 40s in the near future. Definitely a good sign of things that we're trying to warm up a little bit, one step at a time. And we do have a wintry mix possible this weekend. It's better than seeing constant snow or snowstorms, so we're moving in the right direction for this time of year. Taking a look at our radar, you can see there's this band of snow that's pushing into the Chicago area. We're down here in Lafayette. It's really staying to our north, and all these little icons back here represent the amount of snowfall that people are reporting to the National Weather Service. With some areas up near Minnesota seeing around 8 to 10 inches of snow. Nothing here to see that amount of accumulation. As you can see with all the snow to our north, we're going to be barely grazed by this system. Looking yesterday, our highs of 27 degrees, a low 7, normals for this time of year, 45 and 27. So we're definitely still continuing to be below average temperatures, but the temperatures will be increasing the next couple of days. So looking at our future forecast, there's that band of snow that comes through that Chicagoland area, and it kind of sinks down, but this high pressure moves in, and that's going to allow us to dry out and keep any storm systems for the time being down to our south. As you can see right here, the storm system lifts to our north. And then right at the end of our model, you can see this kind of band of precipitation develop, and that's the wintry mix that we could be seeing during the weekend. I'll toss it over to Lauren with the news updates, and I'll be back here with your 7-day forecast.
Thanks, Gino. Good morning, Purdue. I'm Lauren Westberg with your local news. West Lafayette's downtown area is going to be seeing some changes in the next few years. Monday night, the West Lafayette City Council, with a vote of 5-2, passed the plan for a new 5-story apartment and retail building. The complex will be built on Northwestern Avenue, where Barberry's is currently located. However, some of the council members did voice some concerns. The area is already congested, and an apartment complex will only add to the traffic. The city will continue to work on this problem and others as the plan develops. We'll be keeping up with this story here at Fast Track. Students, with all the cold weather, it might seem like a good idea to leave your car idling outside to warm up. However, not one, but two Lafayette residents yesterday lost their cars to car thieves, doing just that. According to Lieutenant Tom Davison of Lafayette Police, he counted at least 5 unattended vehicles idling in just one apartment complex. So be careful with leaving your car unattended. That's all we have time for. Let's go ahead and check up with John for a sports update. John.
Thank you, Lauren. We have some breaking news that was released last night to the media regarding Purdue men's basketball. Redshirt freshman Jay Simpson's career is over due to the heart condition hypertrophic cardiomyopathy, or HCM. Team Dr. Greg Rowden says, quote, HCM is a disease which causes structural abnormalities to the heart and may lead to sudden death in young exercising athletes. Its discovery preludes the participation in competitive sports, end quote. Unfortunately, Simpson will no longer be playing basketball at this university. However, he will remain on scholarship at Purdue and stay on course to graduate in 2016. On a lighter note, the men's golf team finished yesterday with a new school record of 270 or 18 under par to tie for 4th place on the final day of the USF Invitational. This scoring shattered the school's previous record of 277 that had been met 6 previous times by 7 strokes. Adam Shank, who was only 1 shot behind the leader, finished tied for 2nd at this tournament. Once again, the senior had an exceptional outing by shooting a 201 and again set the 2nd best score in school history. 1 week prior, he shot a 205 at the Puerto Rico Classic, which was good enough to be the 2nd best round in school history, but he must not have been satisfied and had yet another amazing performance. When the team returns back to action at the Lone Star Invitational in San Antonio, Texas, maybe Shank will be the sole owner for the best round in school history. As they travel back, let's hope that they have some warm air with them. What do you think, Gino?
Well, John, it looks like they definitely will be bringing some warmer air back because by next week we'll be seeing some temperatures in the low to mid 40s. But for today, temperatures in the mid to upper 20s, 30-degree mark here in Indianapolis, 30 in Paris, 26 in Valparaiso, 27 here in Lafayette, with a chance of some flurries or a passing snow shower. If you're deciding to go out and study for some midterms, you can see we will be seeing some cloudy skies, continued chance of flurries, northeast winds at 11 miles an hour, and a low of 15 degrees. So with wind chills, it's definitely going to be feeling around the single digits. So make sure to bundle up out there. And then as we take a look at our 7-day forecast, you can see the temperatures will be rebounding into the mid to upper 30s, some 40s. And then we have that system on Saturday that I was mentioning that we could see a mixed precip event, and then 40s into next week with a chance of rain on Tuesday. Well, thank you for watching this edition of Fast Track Extra. We'll be here tomorrow morning, and we hope to see you as well.